In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write user stories in Jira. To get started, open Jira and select the project. You want to work in from the left-hand side of the screen. This is important because user stories should always be created in the correct project, so they're tracked by the right team and connected to the right workflow. Once you are inside the project, click the Create button at the top of your Jira screen. This opens the Issue Creation window, where you'll enter all the key details for your new user story in the Issue Type drop-down menu. Choose Story. This tells Jira that you are creating a user-focused requirement rather than a bug, task, or another work item type. Next, add a summary. Your summary should be short but clear, so anyone scanning the backlog can quickly understand what the story is about. After that, write the user story in a standard, value-driven format from the end user's perspective. A strong user story focuses on who the user is, what they need, and why it matters. Keeping that structure consistent makes stories easier for your team to review, prioritize, and implement. Then move to the description field. Use this area to add important background information and any technical constraints that the team should know before starting the work. This extra context helps prevent misunderstandings later and gives developers, testers, and stakeholders a clearer picture of the requirement. After that, select an assignee from the drop-down if the work already has an owner. If you are not assigning it right away, make sure your team's process supports that. Then add labels. Labels help with organization and make it easier to search, filter, and group similar work across your project. Next, add a parent item if applicable. Your work type hierarchy determines which work items you can select here. So this step helps connect the story to a larger body of work, such as a feature or epic, depending on how your Jira setup is configured. Then enter the start date and due date. These dates help with planning and visibility, especially when your team is managing timelines or sprint expectations. If you have any relevant files, go ahead and add attachments. This can include supporting documents, screenshots, or reference materials that help clarify the story. From the Restrict drop-down, you can control visibility by selecting roles such as administrator, member, or viewer. This is useful when access to the story needs to be limited. Once everything looks good, click Create to save the user story. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.